Hi everybody, this is Virgil back another day with just a quick unboxing. I just came home from IKEA where they dropped a part of Virgil Abloh's Markerad collection. I came there like 10 minutes before they opened, maybe 20 minutes before. I stood in line for 2 hours and I got what I wanted. I had number 349 in queue. And even if they had they didn't have a lot of the things, but the chair was still available, the table was still available, the cabin was still available. So yeah, it didn't sell out. And the only thing that I wanted was the 2 bags and bed, I don't know what it's called in English, bed clothing. And the silly thing is, not silly, but I quite understand that you can only buy one set. So one for the pillow, one for the, and since I have a twin bed, of course I want 2. And then they had another pillowcase. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. Maybe put it in my sofa, and then the pillow for that pillowcase. And then I also bought the toolkit because I think it's gonna be a nice housewarming gift or something. Or maybe if somebody in Sweden wants to trade the toolkit for the bed kit. So the bags were absolutely the things that I wanted the most. And from the first pictures, bad quality. The stitches is going to break open. When I first saw the bags, like almost 2 years ago, I thought they were going to be in leather, but I understand that they are not. This is 310 paper, and it smells like wet cardboard boxes. It smells bad. It really does. But I still like it. The size is nice. Gonna fit shoe boxes just perfect, I think. But I can see the light through the stitches, and as we can already see on the medium bag, the stitches is going to break. So I wouldn't load them too heavy. This is not good. I would like to go back and return it, but I just came home. I gotta eat. But it's nice. This is like your standard Swedish paper bag, and this is like the standard IKEA bag, but it's more square because of the flat bottom and because of the paper material. So I think that's it. I got what I wanted. I would like one more set of this pillowcase. The pillow that comes to the pillowcase is nothing special at all, so it's not Virgil, it's just standard IKEA. And this is also just a standard toolkit, just that it says homework on it, and that is red instead of orange. That's it. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, thumbs up. And once again, this is the IKEA Virgil Abloh Markerad collection. Thanks.